Imagine that you are on a lush island paradise. The coast is wide, with soft sand and a crystal clear sea. However, this natural beauty is not common to all beaches. Many of them suffer from erosion problems and are affected by sheer cliffs and breaking waves near coastal properties. To combat erosion on some beaches in the United States, the government has invested huge sums of money to extend and protect the shorelines. In the short term, this strategy can be effective, but in the long term, it can have negative consequences. It is important to keep in mind that erosion is a natural phenomenon that affects all the coasts of the planet. A prominent example is Miami Beach, which in the 1970s suffered significant narrowing due to coastal construction. However, coastal engineers intervened in the 1980s and achieved regeneration, widening the beach and protecting nearby properties. Beach regeneration is a common strategy to protect coastal areas and attract tourism. However, this approach has its challenges. The temporary protection provided by regeneration is not durable due to the constant wear and tear caused by waves and wind. In some cases, financing for these projects can be complicated. The federal government generally bears part of the cost, but not all places are eligible for this type of assistance. Furthermore, the regeneration process can generate a regeneration cycle, leading to unsustainable development in areas prone to erosion. It is essential to understand that game regeneration, while it benefits the local economy in the short term, does not guarantee long-term protection. Building in vulnerable areas can only increase the risk of future damage due to erosion. In conclusion, while it is tempting to try to protect shorelines with game regeneration, we must carefully consider sustainability and long-term impacts. Nature takes its course, and it is essential to take a more conscious and responsible approach in the development of our beautiful coastal areas.